Saturday, May 31st, 2025. This is taking a lot of work. Oh, the electricity was off in the building for some hours this morning. Thankfully it's back on. The birds were getting bored. No radio music. Thanks guys, appreciate your feedback. All right. So now I can resume using a power drill here to get these screws in. Okay. These two to do. And I'm going to add a second, it's getting pretty heavy here. Add a second heavy screw eye and wire. And I'm going to add a couple more things on the vertical sides of the frame. This here, give viewers reflection when they see it at an exhibit. Self-reflection. And add this, I may add this piece of a plastic from a toy gun which has like horned bull or something, like devil's horns. Okay, to be continued. Thanks guys. Okay, coming along here. I think after this, I'm going to, with few exceptions, I'm going to resume working on 16 by 20 inch drawings. It's a bit too much. I also have two partially cut linoleum block prints, linoleum blocks from years ago I want to try to finish. When I began in London in I forget what year, around 2002. Okay, there you have it for now.